So there are two main pathways that are activated during stress response that start in the hypothalamus. First is the adrenal medullary system. Now think back to lesson 1 when I saw the snake. When I initially saw the snake, the stress was encountered, and my hypothalamus sends information to the brainstem to activate the sympathetic nervous system. From an evolutionary perspective, our ability to engage the activation of our fight or flight response has important benefits. When we encounter an emergency or a dangerous situation, this causes the release of catecholamines, and the activation of our fight or flight response allow us to behave appropriately, meaning we can either run away or we can stay and fight. So here, the catecholamines were released, and I obviously opted to flee rather than to stand and fight. However, long-term activation of your sympathetic nervous system can have some serious negative effects. This constant increase in heart rate can cause damage. But we're going to talk more about the negative consequences of chronic stress shortly.